Record. Hi, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So in this video, I will explain you how to use Retell AI in Monday.com. So as you install this application in your Monday, so then you have to click on integrate and you can use it. So in this sample, let me first explain in my sample board what I am doing. So basically, this is my board in which I have phone number column and there is a status column as well. So this is my phone number field. So whenever the status has been changed to working on it, whatever the status is totally up to you. So you have to make a phone call, and after that, after the call, the summary will be saved on this column transcript summary. Okay, and then or other values as well like status or direction of the phone call or other so many things I will show in our integrations. And so this is our use case for this sample demo. So let's click on integrate. So after that, you can search here as you already installed this application in your Monday in this workspace. So yes, I write it here, Retell. So you can open this one, but for me, I'm a developer as well, so that's why it is showing the version 4. So, but you can open this one, okay, Retell AI. So after when I click on that, so it will give me a multiple recipes which you can use it for your automation purpose. So as you can see, let me use this recipe when status changes to something. Then we can make a phone call. First, I will set up this, and then we can, when call ends, we have to update that item. So let's say I have to click on use template. So now if you are doing first time, it will ask you to add Retell API key. But if you are doing after that, then it will not ask you again. So if I put some any other key and I have to click on connect, it would say invalid API key. So then you have to put definitely a correct key. So I have to put it. Now I have to click on connect. So now it will redirect. So it will take some, you can say some seconds. You can say within a, because it is redirecting to you to the automation page, the recipe page. So it is loading. Just give me a second. So So here is your recipe. So now when you now you can select the column, you can select another column as well. For me, this is a status, and I will choose the working on it. When I change working on it, so my automation will trigger. So as you can see, select phone number. So here right now, I just have one phone number in my retail account. So that's why it is just showing one. Otherwise, it will show the depend on your account. To phone number, I have to select the phone number field and then update a call ID. Basically, the update a call ID. So I have to update in a column section this because when it will initiate a call, it will save a call ID because based on this call ID, when call ends, it has to be update on that item. You can say respectively. So let me click on create automation. So this automation will be created in my automation area. So now just give me a second. Here it is. The automation has been created. Where is the automation? The top. This is the one. So earlier I also created one automation. Let me delete these automation. Delete this. Delete permanently. And the other automation which I looking for watch call ends. So I will create with you so you can understand the process as well. Let me delete the previous automation. So I have to go again, create section, and I have to search it again, Retell, RET. Um, I have to click on it. And now I have to click watch call, match call ended, select agent and update item. Let me click on use template. So this time it will not ask me to put API key because it will save API key for the next time. Or if you edit the automation as well, it also does not ask you again and again. So It is just ask in a first time when you in your workspace, when you install that and when you use that any recipe. So later on with this Retell AI, it will not ask you again. So similarly, watch call ended, watch calls ended whenever. So select agent. There are multiple agent as well. So I have to select my agent. My agent name is Codex, which I created, and then map columns. So I have to map columns. What response come from the Retell? We have to map in this Monday board. Let's say I have to add in a name or text, whatever. So let's say first I have to put in a status to call status, okay, which came from the Retell. Similarly, you can upload other thing as well. I will just upload call direction, and as you can see, you have multiple things to update: call direction, agent ID, call type, disconnection region, end timestamps, start timestamp, and so many. You can say to number and transcript. So I will just upload, go to the transcript section and update a transcript. Okay, where is the transcript summary? Here is a transcript summary, and I have to update transcript. Okay. So similarly, you can upload and other things as well. I have to click on done, and then call ID matches with. So it again it is asking because it has to be matched with which column. So you have to be click the call ID column because we are storing call ID in that column. Okay, when we run our this automation, so I can show you how it goes. So I have to click on create automation. So I hope the automation will be created. Yes, it is. So these two my automations are on. I will on off the other all automations just for the safety purpose. Like no other automation will run. Just these two automations which I created. Okay. Let's back here again. This is my item which I have to do all the things. Right now, as you can see, there is nothing in this column, all empty, and also as you can see, transcript is empty. Okay. Now let's back and I have to click on working on it. Okay. So I have to change its status from manually. Maybe your some other automation will run and change the status to working on it. So it totally depend on your use case. So I have to click on working on it. So let's see it will receive a phone call or not. As you can see, uh, I don't know you are seeing or not. I receiving a phone call on my mobile. Let me attend the call. Hello, stop. Would you like to book an appointment for a hair? This is my agent, okay, which is asking me, would you like to book a Great. Call? Yes, I want to book a call for Tuesday tomorrow, 9 a.m. Okay, I will just cut it down. Thank you so much. Okay, so as you can see, the call ID is here in my first automation. Now I just ended my call, so it will definitely update my other fields as well, which I map in second automation. As you can say, this status has been changes to ended and direction would be outbound. Okay, and what main is the transcript here you can see transcript. Hello, welcome to the barber shop. Would you like to book an appointment? User, would you appointment like to book an appointment for hair? Great. So this is the whole script which came from the you can say transcript or from the Retell AI. So right now I just update three columns like outbound directions and the status. So that's are perfectly updated. So this is the use case or a demo link. So I hope you like a video. If you have any questions regarding using this application, you can submit our form on our website or you can anytime you can contact us. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.